In this small video, we will look at the difference between distance and displacement. So in the last video, we saw that all motion is relative. That means the motion of one object is always defined with respect to the other. So when do you say an object is moving? If the object is changing its position with respect to the other object, then we can say that the object is moving. Suppose there is a point A and there is another point B. In how many ways object can go from point A to point B? Literally, in infinite possible ways, an object can go from A to B. Suppose the object has really moved like this. Then there is only one path. But literally, there are infinite possibilities. So the actual length of the path traveled is called distance. Since you cannot impose any direction to this, distance is a scalar. But there is always a possibility to connect the initial point to the final point with the help of a straight line. That straight line is the shortest distance. Shortest distance. So the shortest distance is not displacement. The shortest distance from the initial point to the final point is called displacement. So displacement is a vector. That means that it has got direction with it. Look at this example. The length of this path is greater than the shortest distance. So the actual length of the path is called distance, and this is called displacement, the shortest distance from the initial point to the final point. So you cannot compare distance and displacement as it is, because displacement is a vector, distance is a scalar. So the magnitude of displacement, suppose this distance is say 10 units. So when you say displacement, it is 10 units from A to B. This from A to B is always coming out with it. So if you remove that A to B, you are removing the direction. Once you remove the direction from the vector, it has got only magnitude. So the magnitude of displacement in this case is less than the length of the path, actual length of the path. So distance in this case is greater than the magnitude of displacement. And we can never ever, and we should never ever say that distance is greater than displacement. It is the distance is greater than the magnitude of displacement. What if, and since there can be no conditions applied, the object can also, what if it is a bridge from A to B? If a vehicle has to go, it has to go straight only like this. In that case, the distance and displacement values are same. The displacement has got a direction in addition. So in that case, distance is equal to magnitude of displacement. So we can arrive at this relation always. Distance is always greater than or sometimes equal to the magnitude of displacement.